Still gonna put my Ducati gloves on today, my Ducati jacket, because we're gonna go on another Ducati ride. It's the Monster 797 Plus here, so it fancies its little fly screen, seat cowl, the scrambler power plant with 75 horsepower, 50 foot-pounds of torque. We went riding yesterday, and Chip took out the Monster 1200R, and I had the little 797 action. Likes to get sideways in the wet grass. We had a good time. Suspension was not the same because I spent last weekend in the 1200R. And this weekend on the 797, going from full Oleans to stock little non-adjustable forks here, and that outside mounted shock on this beast. It's a different world. He was just going, and I was going, because we took some really back road country mountains, you know, a lot of patches and inconsistent pavement. But I had tons of fun on this little beast, man. I'm telling you, she's a little wheelie monster. No pun intended. The only problem I found so far is this particular one. Looks like it's getting better today, but the transmission, out of it being brand new, wasn't wanting to find neutral. But look at this nice embellishment. The little tank strap. It's a simple little cable operated clutch like the rest of the Scrambler family. I mean, this is what it is. They just built a new frame and put a Scrambler motor in it. I think it's perfect. It's under $10,000. It gets killer fuel economy so far. Transmission smoothing out with more mileage on the motorcycle. I mean, we only got 50 miles on it, so that's all we could play last night. But today I'm going to ride this Ducati in because we have our BMW demo day that you guys saw. Forgot to post my Monster 1200R. It's been so crazy at the shop. Our weather went from crap and cold and wet and rainy, snowing 2 weeks ago, to 80 to 90 degrees today and yesterday and the day before. So I'm calling for some rain again today. I did my little motorcycle god dance last night. Try to keep the rain away so we can enjoy the day. We're gonna have California Superbike School coming up. Well, not tomorrow, today's Saturday, but Saturday and Sunday demo days. Monday, California Superbike School. You guys are missing out, and I'm giving all my customers. See, I found that I gotta go forward. Well, even then I can't get it to go in. Neutral is impossible to find on this little beast. Never had that problem with any other ones, Tim. It's just this guy. Good little bike though. Plenty of power for what you need. We're smoking some meat today. Yeah! Everybody loves that. People work a little early. Set up. Got an S1000 double R leaving today. Maybe a Bobber Black. Hopefully the Ducati app coming in for one of these. It's gonna be a busy weekend. Weekend. Every green light. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I should probably go do the instrumentation. That's it. Killer brakes on this little guy there, man. It's got a big old Brembo sitting on the front. Instrumentation's super simple. I still can't get this beast to find freaking neutral. I'll find it. Nope. I don't know, man. It's disappointing. Oh, there she is. Good little commuter bike though. It does have switchable ABS, so you can turn the ABS off and play. But it's got killer brakes with those Pirellis on the front. Notice how it's a twin disc. You can see that. The other scramblers are single disc, and that's the big improvement on the Monster. The riding position is comfortable. It's a little, I mean, it's a toy. It's compact, which I like for my body size. It's just comfortable. You don't ride. Go forever. Standard upright naked machine. I think I killed every bug in Roanoke County yesterday, it feels like. My screen is covered. Forgot to clean up this morning. Oh man, I hope I don't have one on the camera. Wait until you see this big rig waiting for us up here in the lot. I'm going to take this bad boy out again this weekend if I can get some time, man. I've just been super busy. It's supposed to rain this afternoon, and tomorrow we got another demo day, and I'm supposed to do some things around the house. I need to mow the freaking lawn again. It's ridiculous around here. The amount of pollen. The pollen is crazy right now. The amount of rain we've had, the grass is growing like crazy. We just had our lawn mowed like 3 days ago for the event. It's already long again. It's craziness. But it's good. At least everything's blooming, getting beautiful. Nope. There it is. Man. I've never had so much trouble finding neutral. That's all I'm going to complain about on this bike though so far. But I will break it in and get it right. I just hate to send someone out on it new and have to go through that same garbage for a few miles. Let's go see what the BMW truck here is doing. Look at that. I found if you're rolling, you can get it into neutral. Found that out yesterday, so that's my trick. It's got the nice new controls, so I like these little controls. Everything's push up, push down. You got your inner button to go through your instrumentation. We'll go through that real quick. Then you run cycle on. You can see everything illuminating. Your big tachometer, speedometer. Trip 1s, trip 2s, trip time, timepiece. Which I'm early by 1 minute. Nice. And back to your trip total. And then we're going to hit this enter button, and it's going to take us in where we can use just our up and down arrows right here. You got your RPMs, your battery, your units of measurements, your ABS. Go in there and turn that off or not. You got your service reminders. We've got our date set. We've got our timepiece set, backlight setting, pin code, and that's it. So that's your little monster 797 from Ducati. It has a little bit more frame action with that scrambler motor on it than you do with like the 821 and 1200s. They're just chop-home to the front cylinder and hanging this off the rear cylinder for the subframe. But it's a good little beast, man. It's pretty. Got some LED lighting accenting Pirelli tires. Little external oil cooler. It's got preload adjustment that's like actually adjustable. It's not just boom, 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. It's going to be infinitely adjustable within its parameters. And it's a good little machine. Have a little fun with it. Little LED brake light action. Brembo rear brakes. It's running the Russell 2s, man. We need the Russell 3s on there. That's what we get from Frontline Eurosports and Ducati. Check you guys on the next little vlog here.